video. There's an actual tornado, guys. My brother just playing the game, but let me show you. Like, there's an actual tornado out here, and I'm scared now because there's an actual tornado, guys. Like, this isn't supposed to be happening, and me and Aiden were supposed to go to the dentist, and it just started raining all y'all. And I think we're actually gonna die. I'm not joking. Like, otherwise, would it be a flood? Like, well, otherwise, how are we gonna go? Like, I'm scared. And there's my wand I left out. Poor Gigi, poor Gigi. And yeah, that's all the wetness. It's still dropping a little if you can't hear it. But yeah. Bye guys, we're gonna die. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this one I about today, I think. And if you didn't hear that, and stuff. Bye, I think we're about to die.